Hi, I'm Catherine McQueen and welcome to Pink Diamond, the show that digs deep into the pink sheet markets to find diamonds in the rough. Today we're looking at a medical stock that investing channel Trackstar data is showing to be receiving a lot of interest from traders and investors, both retail and institutional. Cassava Sciences is a clinical stage drug development company based in Austin, Texas, which develops medicines for nervous system disorders. The firm, founded in 1998, was previously known as Pain Therapeutics, Inc. and changed its name to Cassava Sciences, Inc. in March 2019. Its lead therapeutic product candidate, PTI-125, a small molecule drug for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease, is in its phase 2 clinical trial. It is also developing PTI-125DX, a blood-based biomarker diagnostic tool used to detect Alzheimer's disease. Cassava Sciences has a market cap of $140 million, with 14.9% of its equity held by insiders and 10.6% held by institutional shareholders. On New Year's Eve, shares of the firm jumped 33% on news that the company's president and CEO, Remy Barbier, had acquired 100,000 shares. This followed Barbier's purchase of 15,198 shares over the course of December. On top of that internal vote of confidence, Cassava's stock rallied 24% in December on positive data from a mid-stage trial of PTI-125. Looking to the fundamentals, we can see from a profitability perspective that Cassava's return on assets of negative 20.64% is, while negative, amongst the best of the industry. The company is pre-revenue and its ROA is better than the sector average of negative 41.07%. Looking at valuations, the price-to-earnings ratio is negative, and in the last year, negative earnings were reported. The forward price-to-earnings ratio of 8.58 is encouraging, however, and the current valuation of the stock can be described as very reasonable. Furthermore, the firm's low PEG ratio indicates a rather cheap valuation. When comparing the current price to the company's book value, we can conclude it is valued correctly. It's currently trading at 8.04 times its book value. Growth-wise, Cassava's earnings per share has grown by an impressive 66.48% over the past year, and based on estimates for the next 2 years, this is set to continue, perhaps at even higher levels. When comparing the growth rate of the last 5 years to the growth rate of the upcoming 2 years, we see that the growth is accelerating. The firm appears to be in good health too. Cassava has a current ratio of 20.05, indicating that the company has no problem at all in paying its short-term obligations. Moving to the technicals, we can see that both the short-term and long-term trends are positive, and the stock is currently trading in the upper part of its 52-week range. The stock is liquid too. Both long and short-term daily moving averages are bullish, while momentum has just dipped into overbought territory. The stock is currently showing a bull flag pattern, which occurs when prices pull back slightly after a strong rise up. Bullish flag formations generally indicate upcoming moves higher, which tallies with analysts' expectation of a push to the $12 range later in the year. As always, make sure you do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions, but we think this looks like an exciting stock that may be on the verge of some big breakthroughs. See you next time.